YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating my new toy, which is the Stream Deck Mini, and it is definitely a game changer for me. And so far I am loving every little push button of it. So sit back, relax, and I will definitely see you in the next clip. Okay, so I have the Elgato Marketplace app open, and this is what you see when you open it up. Here on your left, you have your home tab, you have your Stream Deck, gaming, video, and audio, and then over here is all the little things that you can look at and download, your community profiles, Elgato updates, and so on and so forth. And then up top you have here the new arrivals and pot of gold. And then here you have your overlays, profiles, plugins, icons, video effects, savers, and background. So I'm going to click on the icons so that we can look at the different icon packs that is available for downloading that you can use on your Stream Deck if you choose to. So a lot of these are free, and then you have some that you do have to pay for, and there's a lot of icon packs that you can choose from. And so yeah, they do have a lot of free ones. I'm trying to look at some of them that do have a cost too. Now these here, I don't think I have those, so I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna download those. And then it says open the string deck, and I am going to go ahead and click open. And I think I have to go over to my string deck. Okay, yeah, I have to go over there and open it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the different icons that they have. Now I know I have the animated ones. I believe these. Yeah, I like those. So yeah, so I'm gonna go over into my Stream Deck here. I'm gonna get rid of that page, and we're gonna go over to the Stream Deck, which is already open right over here. I want to move it, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. And now we're going to talk about how I set up my icon. I don't know if I talked about this in my other clip. I don't know, I recorded a lot and then I deleted a lot. So, but anyway, I'm going to go. This is how I had my icon set up, and my button set up, and these are the icons that I have right there, and that's page one. So I'm just going to go here for demonstration purposes only. So I'm going to push the plus button right there. Okay, and so I opened up another page on my Stream Deck that I can use to add more icons. Now this is just for informational purposes only. So what you would do over here is this. I'm just going to click and drag anything. I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it if I can get it. Click it and I'm going to drag it and drop it where I want to have it. Oh, there it is. So it popped up there. It popped up there eventually. It did. So I don't know if I want to try another one and keep going through this, because I've been trying to do this since yesterday. So I'm going to do one more just to see. I'm going to click and drag another one over there. Click it, drag it, and drop it, and then pop an icon, and there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I'll see you in my next clip. Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how I got my buttons set up. I didn't know I needed all these buttons. I got, like, this is the mini, the Stream Deck Mini. So in the future, I will probably end up getting the probably the 32 keys. But yeah, so this is how I have my Stream Deck set up. This is the record, the record and stop recording button, and it's blinking there because I am recording. This here is the pause and unpause button. This is to my Canva, and I'm not going to push any of these buttons because it will open up the app and I will lose my recording here. And this is my social media. This is where I have everything set up for social media, like my Gmail, my Facebook, my Amazon, my YouTube, and Twitter. So these are the social medias that I frequently use, although not on my computer. I usually do a lot of things on my phone, but if I was to get them want to use them on my computer, then I have them programmed in. So when I push them, then it would open up to my YouTube channel, and this is a folder. I have 3 folders, 1, 2, and 3. And this is all I have on my Stream Deck. So this is all my social media in one folder, and this is the web, different web addresses that I have programmed into my Stream Deck, like Pinterest, something on Bing, and Pixel's Chat GPT, and Free Pix. These are the things that I use on the web a lot. So I have them programmed into my Stream Deck, and I like it that I can program them in because I usually have had these pinned as tabs on my bar on my computer. So now I don't have to do that. I can, I don't have to pin anything. If I want to get to it, then I can just program it into my Stream Deck. Okay, so this is Web 2. This is another folder, and I named it Web 1. And no, yeah, Web 1. I'm sorry, I said Web 2. This is Web 1, and this is Web 2. So this is more web stuff I use, and this is to the Elgato Marketplace store here, because I thought it was just easier to just program it in case I need to get there quickly without opening up the Elgato Stream Deck app itself. I can just go ahead and go, push this button and go to the marketplace directly. And this is something I have that I watch, and this is my Microsoft rewards. Okay, and then I have two buttons right here that doesn't have any program on. So this is Web 2 folder, and I have 1, 2, 3 web addresses here. And then you push this button here to go back to the main screen. And so you can set up as many folders as you want, and you can program 6. Well, this one is 6, but let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can get 5 because I don't think you can program anything here, because this is the back button to your previous screen right there. So yeah, this is so far how I have my Stream Deck set up, and I didn't know that I would need all these buttons here. So yeah, but I am still thrilled that with this here mini. So to me, it is great, and I really appreciate it. It makes everything so much easier and at your fingertip. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and end this video. And then I will see you in the next clip. So I'm just going to go ahead and push this button here, and it should stop my recording. Okay, so I will see you in my next clip.